Sending products to Amazon FBA involves several key steps to ensure your inventory is received, stored, and managed by Amazon. Here's a concise guide. Create a seller account. Ensure you have an active Amazon Seller Central account. Set up FBA. In your Seller Central account, go to Settings, then Fulfillment by Amazon, and follow the steps to enable FBA. List your products. List the products you want to send to FBA. Ensure each product has a detailed listing with proper categorization, images, and descriptions. Prepare your products. Follow Amazon's packaging and labeling guidelines. Each item must have a scannable barcode. Create a shipment plan. In Seller Central, go to Inventory and select Manage FBA Inventory. Choose the products you want to send and click Send or Replenish Inventory. Follow the steps to create a shipment plan, including specifying the quantity of each product, the packing details, and the shipping method. Label your products. Print and apply the FNSKU labels to each product. Ensure labels are placed according to Amazon's guidelines to avoid delays in processing. Prepare your shipment. Pack your products securely. Follow Amazon's shipment packing guidelines to ensure products are protected during transit. Ship to Amazon. Choose a carrier from Amazon's partnered carrier options or your preferred carrier. Print the shipment labels provided by Amazon and attach them to your packages. Drop off your shipment or schedule a pickup with the carrier. Track your shipment. Monitor the shipment status in Seller Central to ensure it arrives at the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Amazon will update the status once they receive and process your inventory.